And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Howdy, good Monday morning. Temperatures are in the lower 40s in some areas off to the south, Montgomery County. Some areas rural out into the upper 30s. 41 Frankfort, 44 good morning Flora. 50s Peru, Galveston, 48 Monticello, mid 40s there in Newton and Jasper County. Here in Lafayette, sitting at a cool 44 degrees, so you might need that light jacket before you step on outside. High pressure taking care of our forecast. Kind of like yesterday, we're going to have those hazy, kind of milky skies. It's not going to be that nice chrome blue sky due to the wildfire smoke. It's pretty thick, thousands of feet up in the air. Nothing surface based, so that's good news. But another thing I want to note here is we're watching the tropics very closely for this tropical disturbance. It's not a tropical storm yet, but it will be forecast, or it is forecasted to turn into a tropical storm, which will be Tropical Storm Francine. Later today, it may turn into a Hurricane Category 1, Hurricane Francine, on likely by tomorrow, Wednesday morning, and then make landfall Wednesday afternoon, evening hours into early Thursday, and then right up the Mississippi Valley. It may stall out though once it reaches western portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, southern Indiana. That's going to be a big question mark for the forecast this week, if we can get that moisture all the way up here, since we are so dry this week. And it's going to be hot by the middle of the week. We're talking 90s, but it's going to be a dry heat. Today, 79 degrees, a lot of sunshine other than the hazy, smoky skies. West to west southwest winds, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the current smoke thickness right now. Very thick smoke over us, and it will continue all day long into the overnight hours. It'll give us a vibrant sunrise and sunset, but tomorrow looks like to thin out a little bit before things may get a little bit more smoky later in the week. Wednesday, 5 o'clock in the morning. By I think Wednesday afternoon, evening, Thursday, more of that may push in, giving way to more hazy skies. So not as hazy tomorrow though, a lot more bluer skies. 84 degrees by 3 and a warmer 86. Good news is though, again, the humidity will stay very low. So Futurecast, we remain nice and sunny today, tomorrow, Wednesday. A couple very quiet days, so let's go ahead and shift on down to the south. Here's Tuesday, 5 o'clock, seeing some rain down in the Gulf states. And there's the central pressure of what will likely be Hurricane Francine making landfall near Louisiana. And then this is Wednesday evening going up into Thursday. You'll see the rain, a tropical storm, likely a tropical depression by then. It will turn into a low. It may reach central, possibly northern Indiana into our area. Again, we'll see how far north this will make it. We will stay mostly cloudy. We'll have some mid-high level clouds Thursday, Friday, through the weekend, but as I mentioned, we'll see how far north that moisture can go. But we do have a lot of dry air over the area, so that may dissipate a lot of that rain. And I think the heavier rainfall will definitely be to our south, 3 inches down to the western portions of Tennessee and Kentucky. And again, we'll see how far north that system can go. We'll keep you updated. But one thing to note as well, with the very dry weather, it's still going to be very dry, low humidity, getting a little breezy by Thursday. This will give us an elevated fire threat by the middle of the week. Even today, be careful if you're going to be doing any outdoor burning, as brush fires, grass fires can easily start with the conditions that we have now. 90s Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll be watching for temperatures to kind of swing here depending on rain and clouds by the end of this week.